Crane Access Solutions.
Hi, I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. For this episode, I'm just going to test my latest watch back case closer. And this is a screw type watch case back closer. Yet there is another type. This is my first one. This is the punch down or the press down watch back case closer. If you look at the size of these two, you could compare that the screw type is bigger and heavier, while this the cheaper counterpart, which is the press down, is a bit lighter and looks a bit and feels a bit cheaper. Now they also come with their own sets of plastic pressers. So you can also call them the adapters also, and they have certain numbers which you can use for certain types of watch diameter size. As you can see, the screw types has more numbers with regards to its sockets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the red one has 12 of these circle sockets and 2 of these odd ones, and 2, 4, 6 of these rectangular size. The other one has 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, including the ones that were attached to the black ones, to the press down tool. So all in all, the screw type has more accessories than the press down one. Okay, so let's try this out. I have an old wristwatch here that needs battery replacement, so we're gonna remove the back cover and put it back once the battery is removed. Now that the battery is removed, we're gonna put back the back cover now. So make sure that this groove is aligned with the crown, so it doesn't get in the way when you press it with our pressers. We're going to use the screw type first to put back the back cover. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the exact socket size. So it has to be a match to the back cover size, so it doesn't scratch or do some damage to the watch. But since these are made of plastic, I don't think it's going to do any harm to the back of the watch or to the glass of the watch itself. Okay, we found the right match, which is the size 32. This will be placed at the upper side. Now we will need a bigger one for the bezel, and it's going to be at the bottom part. Make sure it catches the bezel and not the glass, so it doesn't break the glass when you press it. So the bigger one will be at the bottom. This will serve as the cushion for the watch, and the top one, the top screw or the socket will serve as the medium which we can use to push the back cover onto the glass, onto the watch. Okay, now that we are all set, let's place the watch under this presser. It should look like this. Once the watch is in place, we can then turn the screw clockwise to press down our back cover. Do not press too hard. Do not turn the knob too hard, or it will damage the screw. Once you hear the click, loosen it up and it should be fine. There, as you can see, it fits perfectly. Now let's remove the watch back cover again. And now we're going to test the press down tool. Now, since we know the number of the socket, we can now easily find the right match instead of going through one by one. Just make sure that the bigger socket should be at the bottom and the smaller one will be at the top. That way the glass will be protected from too much pressure. Okay, let's try now. Glass to be facing downwards. One thing, the handle should be facing towards you. If you put it the other way around, it will be difficult for you to press it and you might damage the watch. Okay, when you're pressing it down, make sure you don't press it too much or it will break the glass. Feel free to move the watch around so that you can evenly press all the sides of the back cover. There, as you can see, it's evenly flattened. So that's all for today, guys. I will leave the decision to you whether you find the screw type or the press down to be better than the other. Alright guys, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Please subscribe to my vlog. Thank you.